Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Canva website template on Squarespace. So first thing that we should do is we have to log into our Canva account and then select your website. All right, and then on the other tab, I also have here my Squarespace website. So next is just go back to your Canva website and then make sure that your Canva website is published and then tap on the share option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Then here, tap on the see all if you cannot find the embed option. All right, so for this one, tap on the embed. And then right here, make sure to select the smart embed link. So just copy this one, then go back to your Squarespace website. So what we're going to do here is to add a section first. Okay, so tap on it. And then I'm just going to add a blank section. So once the section is ready, the next thing that you are going to do here is to add block. So tap on this one and then find the embed option. So this one right here. And then all you have to do is to paste the URL that you have copied it from your Canva website. You just have to paste it right here. Okay, so tap on this one and then paste it right here. And then once the link successfully located, all you have to do is to close this section. And then you just have to expand your this box right here. Okay, so tap on this one. Then you just have to save your changes. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.